Hey guys, it's Ivory. Welcome back to my channel and let's get into this video. Okay, we're gonna be doing a soft glam, nice, sleek, classy, everyday look. And this video is sponsored by who? I don't know, but I'm gonna keep saying that in every video until I get my first sponsorship, because I see y'all, but do y'all see me?
Okay.
Yeah, because I'm going to be one of them ones, and I'm going to speak that into existence, because manifestation is real, okay? Clock that T. So let's get into it. Tell you something for what it's worth. With you having this place on earth, and I will take you there. As you can see, the brows are already done, so we're going to be starting off by priming the skin. I'm going to be using the Secure the Sweat primer. So this is just going to take away all the shines and all the oil that comes through my skin, because I do have oily skin. I bought the travel size just to test it out, because I'm really like an old head. I stick to what I know, and I've read a lot of great reviews about this primer, and so far it's been doing the trick. Okay, it's been doing the damn thing. Honestly, this is probably going to be one of the quickest, easiest makeup routines I've ever showcased on this channel. Because again, I do wear this makeup look every day when I go to work, and I don't really do too much. I mean, it only takes like 10 minutes. So now I'm just going to take my Nars Cosmetics foundation in the shade, I believe, Caldonia or something like that. And I'm just going to use a foundation brush and put it all over my cheeks. Again, this is not like a full coverage look. This is just to cover up a little bit of the blemishes and hyperpigmentation I have on my skin. So all I'm gonna do is dip my foundation. Why the fuck can't I talk? Okay, so all I'm gonna do is dip my foundation brush in the product and literally make lines on my cheek. Just like that. Because again, this is not full coverage. I'm just making lines over the hyperpigmentation I have, the discoloration. Now that I've done that, I'm just gonna let it sit on my cheeks for about 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna blend it out. Now that the foundation is done sitting, I'm just gonna blend it out. Like really just blend out the edges with my foundation brush. Because again, I just wanna look soft. I don't want it to look like I have on too much makeup. So I'm just gonna quickly just blend out the strokes so you don't see any lines, and just make everything smooth. Now that that's completed, I'm going to take my Juvia's blush palette in Volume 4, and I'm going to take the darker shade of pink and just put it on my cheeks and my nose area. Me, I like to look like a doll, so I kind of OD with the blush, but you don't have to, okay? You know, everything is not for everybody, so you don't have to do it like me. But yeah, I'm about to just doll my face up, okay? I like to look like a Barbie doll. Every time I do my makeup, I like to look like a Barbie doll. No matter if it's natural, light, or what, I like to give that Barbie doll effect. So, and I'm just applying it with a blush brush in circles. I go from the apples of my cheeks, and then I drag it back up. I'm gonna put on a little bit more because I just love the drama. Now that my cheeks are done, I'm just going to take a little bit of the leftover blush and just put it on the tip of my nose, like so. But I don't like to put too much on my nose. And now for the last part, to tie this look together, I'm going to take my eyebrow pencil in the color black brown, and I'm going to outline my lips. When I outline my lips, I literally just trace the top lip all the way around. And then I literally trace the inner corners. Like, I don't do the middle. I don't do this section. I like to leave this mostly pink. So I just do the inner corners. And then I'm done. And now it's time for my favorite part, which is the lip gloss. So don't listen to me in these next steps, okay? So this is my literally like my go-to. This is like my God in heaven, okay? This is my Too Faced lip gloss. I had this lip gloss ever since I was in middle school. As you can see, the letters are off. You can't even see nothing on this shit because it's that good, all right? And it really works. So this is the Too Faced Lip Plumping Lip Gloss. And I love this shade, and I'm so pissed that I'm running out and they discontinued the color. So now I gotta go to Ulta and get me another one and settle for something else. Now they got all these glitter lip glosses, and I don't even like it like that. I don't like glitter in my lip gloss. Like, I'm a grown woman. Don't like no glitter, so I just like a basic hot pink. So I'm just gonna take my old ass expired lip gloss, put it on my lips. You could barely see the color. I don't care. You could barely see the color, but the gloss is on, okay? And in 2 minutes, I'm gonna have some luscious big lips, okay? So I put this on just to give my lips a little bit of color. And then I'm going to take the other Too Faced Extreme Lip Gloss, and I'm just going to put this all over it for more gloss. Like, I'm just going to put gloss on top of gloss, okay? This lip gloss is very sheer, so that's why I put the first one on first, to give it that color. And then I'm just going to use this to top it. Now that everything's on done, I'm just going to take my On Till Dawn spray to set my face. It's like really hot in New York right now, so you kind of gotta OD. Okay, so now I'm gonna remove these clips, and that's a bad bitch, okay? Right. So yeah, now the look is all together. And thank you for those of you who watched to the end. This is my simple, everyday, soft glam. Let me fix the hair a little bit and then I'll be back. Okay, guys, and this is the final look, okay? As you can see, this is not too much, just some lip gloss and blush, basically. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and like, comment, subscribe for more Ivory, more me, more New York City, more Long Island, more New York, more everything. If you want to enlighten yourself, then yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.